Academy for Health and Fitness.
Hello there, and welcome to this Returning to Work training course. Due to many reasons, and perhaps now more than ever, many people are considering returning to work after a long break. This may be due to economic or personal reasons. It may be that they're recovering from a prolonged bout of illness, or that they have fulfilled parental duties. A person can even decide that they want to come out of retirement and continue aspects of a chosen career path. Whatever drives this inspiration, it should mean that there is a valuable employment resource for companies and opportunities for returnees to the job market. However, this can only be effectively managed with return-to-work programs.
To see the full course, visit the link in the description below.